Why does it feel like people don't take you seriously? Why do they interrupt you mid-sentence, cancel plans on you, ignore your opinions, overlook your effort? Let me ask you something deeper. Are you keeping promises to yourself? Are you speaking with conviction or hesitation? Are you living with intention or just reacting to life? Because the truth is painful and powerful. Nobody respects you because you don't respect yourself. Respect is not demanded, it's reflected. Think about your daily habits. You say you'll wake up early, but hit snooze 5 times. You say you'll go to the gym, but skip it just for today. You say you'll stop tolerating disrespect, but laugh it off when it happens. And then you wonder, why does no one take me seriously? If you break promises to yourself every day, why would the world trust your words? Imagine a cracked mirror. No matter how confidently you stand in front of it, the reflection is distorted. Your self-discipline, your standards, your boundaries, that's the mirror. And right now, it's cracked. Here's the hard truth. If you tolerate being treated like an option, people will treat you like one. If you speak softly about your goals, the world will whisper back. If your actions are inconsistent, your reputation becomes unreliable. Respect isn't about being louder. It's about being solid. Ask yourself, do I show up on time? Do I finish what I start? Do I say no when I mean no? Do I carry myself like someone valuable? Or am I hoping people will magically see worth that I don't display? Here's how you change it, starting today. 1. Keep one promise daily. Start small. Wake up when you say you will. Finish one task fully. Go to the gym, even when you don't feel like it. Why? Because self-respect is built like muscle, under resistance. Each promise kept is a brick. Each excuse is a crack. What are you building? 2. Raise your standards. Silently stop explaining your goals to people who don't understand them. Stop chasing validation. Move differently. A lion doesn't need to announce it's a lion. When you start respecting your time, energy, and boundaries, people notice. And if they don't, they're not meant to stay. 3. Speak with certainty. Remove hesitation from your voice. Not arrogance, clarity. Instead of, I'll try, say, I will. Instead of, maybe, say, no. Your words train people how to treat you. Are you training them to overlook you or to value you? 4. Master emotional control. The most respected person in the room isn't the loudest, it's the calmest. When you react emotionally to everything, you lose authority. When you respond with control, you gain power. Storms are loud, mountains are silent. Which one are you? Imagine 6 months from now, you wake up early, consistently, you move with discipline, you speak less, but mean more. You don't chase attention, you attract it. Your posture changes, your energy shifts. People pause when you speak, not because you demanded respect, but because you became respectable. And here's the secret. The moment you stop chasing respect and start embodying it, everything changes. So ask yourself right now, will I keep living as someone people overlook, or will I become someone impossible to ignore? The world reflects who you are. If you want respect, build it within. Start today. Keep one promise. Raise one standard. Draw one boundary. Small changes. Massive shift. If this message hit you, don't just feel motivated. Take action and subscribe for more guidance on becoming stronger, sharper, and unstoppable. Because the real glow up, it starts from within.